Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to make a quick little video and show you guys what a straight piped 6.7 Cummins sounds like. This is my same 2007.5 G56 swapped 6.7 Cummins. So it just has a 5-inch straight pipe from turbo back. So yeah, let's show you what it sounds like. In my opinion, it does sound very good, but when I'm driving down the freeway going 70 miles an hour, it is a lot louder than it used to be when it was an automatic, because the gearing is so much different. When I'm going 70 miles an hour with an automatic, I'm only at like 1800 RPMs, but now going 70 miles an hour and 6 with the G56, the RPMs are at about 2200, so the noise inside the cab is kind of obnoxious, especially if you're going to speed, go 80 miles an hour. It's just way too loud. So I'm thinking about getting one of those drone killers that you just cut a section out and slide it right in, clamp it on, and then apparently it still sounds super loud and good sounding, but it gets rid of that drone sound that you hear in the cab while you're driving down the highway. I also have a camper here that I'm trying to sell. I got it about 1.5 years ago. If anybody in the Washington state area knows of anybody looking for a camper for around 800 bucks, it's got wireless remote jacks and all sorts of good stuff. It's pretty nice on the inside. Still have some stuff in there I need to clean out and give this thing a bath and then post it for sale. But if anybody knows anybody looking for a camper over in eastern Washington here, got a bunch of snow, fun stuff. All right guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.